You've probably heard a lot about internet marketing and how people are earning a living at it. What you might not know is that there are many different internet marketing business models to choose from. The one you choose depends on your personal goals and desires. Here are 4 popular internet marketing business models. Promoting your own products on the web. These products can range from online courses, digital products, tangible products that require physical production and shipping, or services such as coaching or guitar lessons. Drop shipping. This is usually done when a person joins a merchandise program or partners with a company to sell their products. They use their own means of advertising. When a customer makes a purchase and payment is sent to the merchandiser, the item is shipped from the warehouse directly to the customer. Network marketing. I'm sure you've heard of companies like Avon and Tupperware. These companies comprise a network of representatives and managers who all have the same common goal, to sell a product or service. Network marketing is frowned upon by some because their success is tied to someone else, while some love it because they don't feel as if they're going it alone. Most networks offer support and structured training with various levels of advancement and growth. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular internet marketing business models because it's so easy to get started and see results. You begin by finding a product to promote, then you use your knowledge and a variety of internet marketing skills to earn commissions. You can choose one or all of these methods. Whatever you decide, put in the work, and with time, you'll become successful.